Okay, this is a sample from our homework, lesson 1, problem set 6B. This is how you would find the missing length and the missing width if you have the perimeter and the area given to you. The first thing that we need to do for every problem is to copy down formulas and identify the information that we already know. For this particular rectangle, we already know that the perimeter is 28. We know the area, and that is in meters. We know the area is 24 square meters. So I'm going to write the perimeter formula. I know that the perimeter equals the width plus the width plus the length plus the length. Then I am going to write my formula for area. Area equals the width times the length. Now I have to start thinking about what numbers could I use with area that I could put in for my width and my length that would multiply to give me 24. I always start with the area because once I find these two sides, I know the opposite sides will be equal. So we start with area. And I make a table. Whenever we're missing some sides, we can make a table. And I put 24 at the top because I'm trying to find which two factors will multiply together to give me 24. This can be my width, this can be my length. And I start by saying, well, I know 1 times 24 will give me 24. Is there 2 times anything that would give me 24? If I skip count by 2's, I see that I would get to 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Yes, that was 12 2's give me 24. I'm going to try 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. There would be, 8 3's give me 24. Let me erase that so it looks a little tidier. 8 3's give me 24. Let's see, if I skip counted by 4's, would I get to 24? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Yes, actually 6 4's give me 24. 5 times anything give me 24. No, because I know that any multiple of 5 ends in a 0 or a 5. So I get to 6, and now I have repeated my factors, so I know I'm done. Now I need to guess which ones might work out. And I plug in my width and my length into the perimeter formula. So step 1 is find the area, possibilities, and step 2, see which of those would fit into the perimeter formula. Well, I'm going to rewrite it here so I can take a look. Perimeter equals the width plus the width plus the length plus the length. If I put in a width of 1, a width of 1, a length of 24, and a length of 24, would that add up to 28? I need to make sure that I'm balancing both sides of my equation. This 28 should equal everything here. Well, I can already tell 24 plus 24 is way more than 28. So that's not a valid solution. So I'm going to cross that one off. I'm going to go ahead and erase. And I'm going to try a different one. Now let me try these two factors, 2 and 12. If my width is 2, and I add another 2 for the other side, and I have a length of 12 and another length of 12, could that equal 28? Maybe, so I better add those for sure to double check. 12 plus 12 is 24. 2 plus 2 is 4. 24 plus 4 does in fact equal 28. So I have found my solution. I'm going to circle it on my table. I know my width is 2 and the length is 12. And I'm talking about meters. I have solved the problem.